The art of asking, mastering, is it possible, requests in English. Hello, learners. Welcome back to another interesting lesson on conversational English. Today, we'll dive into the world of, is it possible, requests, with a specific focus on requesting assistance. Is it possible is an incredibly polite and effective way to make requests in English. Are you ready? Let's get started. To begin with, when we use the phrase, is it possible, we're usually asking if something can be done, if it's feasible, or if it's allowed. In this case, we're focusing on using, is it possible, to request assistance. This form of request is polite and ideal to use in formal situations, with people we don't know very well, or in professional settings. When using, is it possible, to request assistance, there are a few different structures we can use. Let's look at some examples. 1. Is it possible plus to infinitive? 2. Is it possible to get some help with this report? 3. Is it possible plus for you, someone plus to infinitive? 4. Is it possible for you to help me with this report? 5. Is it possible plus that clause? 6. Is it possible that you could help me with this report? Each of these forms has a slightly different emphasis, but they all ask for help in a polite and considerate way. Now, let's take a look at a few more practical examples of, is it possible, used in different contexts. Is it possible to give me a hand with these bags? Asking a friend, is it possible for you to proofread my proposal before I submit it? Asking a colleague, is it possible that you could move your car? It's blocking my driveway. Speaking to a neighbor, notice how these examples still maintain a level of politeness and formality. Mastering the art of making requests using, is it possible, is an important skill in English, especially when you're requesting assistance. It helps you sound more polite and professional. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try using these phrases in your day-to-day English conversations. We hope this video was helpful. Stay tuned for more lessons to boost your English conversational skills. Keep practicing, and happy learning!